Namaste and welcome back. My name is Nikhlesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models in a very simple language. So we started learning fine tuning. We also, tried to draw an analogy that what is the difference between fine tuning and prompt engineering. So when you want model to learn and remember, that's fine tuning. When you want model to refer, that's prompt engineering and retrieval augmented generation. So if there is a chef, if and you just want that chef to refer to some uh, recipe, that's prompt engineering and or rag. But if you want that chef to learn and remember, then it's fine tuning. So the question that comes is like, why don't we fine tune? Why don't we not train a foundational large language model itself? So we all know that LLMs are trained on billions of data. Like, so GPT 3.5, like GPT 3 was trained on 175 billion parameters. So first we need that kind of data. Second, in order to train LLMs, we need massive computational resources. We learned in our initial LLM course that how much computational resource we require. So it's not easy and it's not possible to train a foundational LLM model, by a normal person. It requires lots of resources and money, and that's the reason what we do. We take a LLM. It could be an open source or it could be a proprietary LLM, and then we try to fine tune with our own data. With our own data, I mean, you could be a travel blog. You have thousands of uh, content around traveling. You could fine tune LLM on your travel data. You could be a financial institution, you could be a media company, you have lots of data, and then you try to fine tune it. So we'll continue learning fine tuning in the next videos.